Hi everyone, we are so excited. Today we are doing our Snoring treatment and we are here all the doctors to get ready to treat our patients.
Romeo is a fast, effective and a minimally invasive solution against snoring. It represents a fast, painless and effective treatment for patients who do not wish to have an invasive treatment or in cases where other treatment methods have failed. In all patients, the reduction of snoring was significant. In terms of time, within the first 4 to 6 months, more than 50% of the patients and their bed partners stated excellent improvement. 9 months post-treatment, results are still pending. In this treatment, we all have you recline slightly with your mouth open and tongue extended. You'll make an R sound to push the soft palate forward, making it easier for the applicator. The process involves using a laser to target the soft intraoral tissue with 1 to 3 shots at a time. We'll give you a short break before repeating the process until the entire area is treated. This minimally invasive treatment is designed to provide relief and promote healing.
We wait for you here in the clinic.